Why is my HVAC system making a chirping noise? A chirping HVAC sound usually means a loose part, a worn belt, or a small problem with the fan or motor that should be checked soon. A chirping noise can happen when air starts moving through parts that are rubbing, slipping, or not lined up right. Inside your heating and cooling system, there are fans, motors, bearings, and sometimes belts, and any of these can make a quick bird-like sound when they begin to wear out. If the noise happens only when the system starts, that can point to a belt or motor that is struggling at first. If it keeps chirping while it runs, a fan blade may be touching something or a bearing may be drying out. One thing people do not always know is that dust and tiny bits of debris can also cause this sound when they get pulled into the moving parts. You can listen for when the noise happens because the timing helps narrow down the cause. If the chirp gets louder fast, it is smart to turn the system off and have it checked before a small issue turns into a bigger repair. A simple note about when it happens, like heating, cooling, startup, or shutdown, can help a technician find the problem faster. A common mistake is ignoring a chirping sound because the system still seems to work, but that can let a small worn part damage bigger parts later, so shut it down if the noise is strong or new. Another mistake is guessing it is the same as rattling or squealing, because each sound can mean something different, so pay attention to whether it is sharp, repeated, or only happens at startup. People also sometimes change the air filter and hope the noise goes away, which is good maintenance, but it will not fix a loose fan, worn bearing, or belt problem if that is the real cause. A helpful tip is to check the filter, look for anything touching the vents or cabinet, and write down exactly when the noise starts, because that gives you useful clues before you call for help. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.